Let's try not to blow ourselves up with a pencil.
I'm going out of this room.
Okay. Oh yeah. Today we're gonna see what's inside of an Apple Pencil. We've never done this before. I've never even used an Apple Pencil. Rather than just get your boring Apple Pencil that's white, we reached out to our friends at Slick Wraps. They're the ones that do wraps on phones. They had some cool ideas and told us they were gonna send us a special box.
I have no clue what they look like, just telling you. I just saw this iPad and I'm like, whoa, this is really cool.
One of the biggest tech YouTubers in the UK is Mr. Who's the Boss. We talked to him and Slick Wraps and they decided to send us some extra things. There's a couple things. There's a couple things. Look at this! 4 Apple Pencils, 5 iPhone 10s, 5 Galaxy S9 Samsung phones. Because Slick Wraps sent us these, they probably customized every single one of them. Look at this!
Trade.
No.
Trade!
These are for a giveaway.
No!
You're supposed to say, yes, we love giving things to people. Let's get to the pencil time. I've never used one of these before.
Me too.
In the old days, I used to have a Palm Pilot, and that had a stylus that you would use. I feel like you're kind of going back to the past to be able to use a stylus, but I did see Tinker Hatfield, when we made the Nike video, he designed a Nike shoe right there with a stylus. I think it was an Apple Pencil.
It was.
So I definitely think there's a utility in having this for certain people. Let's open up these Apple Pencils, see what they look like.
Whoa, it's like an actual pencil.
This is the way to do an Apple Pencil. Oh, this one's cool too. Retro Apple Pencil.
Can I have one of those too with the retro thingy?
Here's the other one here. This one looks like an actual pencil with an eraser on it with the white lead on the end of it. That is so cool. All right, we've got more though. Let's keep opening them.
This one looks really cool. It's like an actual pencil with a white eraser, and that's what I see on normal pencils.
We've got one more. We have 4 of these here. I don't know how many Slick Wraps has. Maybe you can look on their website to see how many Apple Pencil wraps they have, but
whoa,
this one's cool too. All right, so we've got 4 pencils. Let us know which one do you like the most. The one that looks like an actual pencil or the one that looks like the retro Apple. So the Apple Pencil, how does it work? You do have to charge this thing, and in order to do it, right here, what looks like the eraser, you take it off.
pull it off, and there's an actual Apple charger that you can just
Lightning
plug
adapter. You can plug it into your phone, which looks really silly, or sorry, into your iPad. I mean, look how dumb that looks. It's just like connected to it. But it is charging it, and it does help you connect to it. You can choose your color on here. We'll choose blue. You can see. Whee! This is a picture of Lincoln. What's this thing? Oh, wow. And I like how it knows when you're turning. Watch, it's like all straight, and then I turn. See that? That's part of the technology to know that you're actually turning. It has sensors in there to know. We're gonna turn this away from you. Lincoln's gonna draw you the most beautiful picture you've ever seen with an Apple Pencil.
Done.
All right, the masterpiece is done. Show the world before I see it. There it is.
I tried to write Apple.
That's Apple on the shirt.
I tried.
You can take this off.
It kind of looks like lead. It's like golden.
So this is the sensor. This is the metal sensor that actually talks to the screen and knows where it's at, and then it just has this plastic cover on it, so obviously so it doesn't scratch your computer or the screen of your computer. This thing, if the battery dies on you forever, or if something breaks inside of it, there's no screws on it. It's really difficult to get into. I think the only way that we could do it, we could try scratching like this forever. Try that one. Or we could do the Dremel. Let's try not to blow ourselves up with a pencil.
I'm going out of this room.
Okay. Dremel, Apple Pencil. Seems like a good idea. This is a fully charged Apple Pencil, so you probably don't want to try this yourself. Before I cut into these Apple Pencils are so cool that if you ever are going to get an Apple Pencil, I don't know why you wouldn't want to get it custom wrapped. I mean, it looks sweet. Slick Wraps, thank you for this. We'll have a link to Slick Wraps in the description if you want to get yourself a cool Apple Pencil wrap. Let's get this one cut. Oh yeah. Just don't hit the battery. I feel feel like I'm like taking the outer layer off of a piece of fruit.
Yeah.
That's what I feel like I'm skinning the banana. But the banana's a pencil, but the pencil's not a pencil.
The pencil is an apple.
Deep thoughts. We hit the lithium-ion battery. Don't hit the battery! Juices started coming out and it stunk. I saw like some liquid bubbling and then the stinkiest smell. It's been a while. It smells better in here. We're gonna keep the air running even though it doesn't help with the audio. I don't know what to think, guys, other than this may be not the best way to get into one. I think I need to cut the eraser off. I think that's gonna help. Did you see that? here's the eraser. It fell into this box. I just pulled the brain out of it. Look at this little section right here. There's some sort of little chip on the end of it, and there's a screw. There's actually a screw on here. I think it's like the one screw that it has. Oh. I just pushed the guts out with a screwdriver. This is the thing that all the stink is about right here. This is what made the room stink. What is that?
It stinks.
Okay, that means it stinks.
That's my definition.
This is your stinky battery.
It stinks so bad.
It's like fingernail polish.
Yeah, it hurts my nose.
I love how compact it is. There's no wasted space in this. You can see the logic board right there, and then here's the tip, and it's cool. All right, let's take it off just a little bit more. Take this metal off.
Just so we can see more of the inside. Oh!
If you remember our iPhone 10 video, they took the logic board and they stacked two of them on top of each other, and because they were able to do that, they were able to save space and put more technology into a phone that was actually smaller. Similar thing here. There are two logic boards, one right here and one right there.
It looks like metal in between them.
Yeah, they're stacked together. This is the piece right here that somehow
Connects
talks
to,
to
the
it
iPad
and tells it. Why don't we do a bend test on this? Let's do, I like blue and white, it's our colors. Let's do the yellow one. Will it bend? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Apple, did you know that your pencil breaks that easily? Right at the top, that's a serious weak point. Right before the battery, it just broke right in half. I'm not that strong. The new Bendgate Apple Pen. We're doing a massive giveaway with Mr. Who's the Boss and with Slick Wraps to you guys. Look at the link in the description. This is the biggest giveaway we've ever done. 5 iPhone 10s, 5 Samsung Galaxy S9 Pluses. If you'd like this, look at the link in the description. There will be a link. I think
down there.
it'll probably be like follow us on some socials. Go watch Mr. Who's the Boss's video. We'll put a link in the description too. I think he has 10 phones too, so I think there's 20 total. I'm not quite sure. Probably the biggest giveaway we've ever done. It's like $20,000
most
of
expensive
stuff.
giveaway, yeah, for sure.
Thank you, Slick Wraps.
Thank you.
Mr.
This
Who's
is
the
awesome.
Boss.
I need to take my phone in because I want to wrap on my phone after seeing you.
I love the retro one, retro Apple.
Yes.
That looks dope. And also, of course, the What's Inside version or the Jerry Rig Everything version, whatever you want to call it. It is pretty cool.
I call it Cherry Rig Everything version.
Of course you do. He secretly wishes he was his father.
I do?
Maybe not.